Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is All Summer in a Day by Ray Douglas Bradbury. This topic is for class 10. Okay, once again let me remind you the name of the book. It's ICSE Treasure Trove. In my last class, I taught you up to page 109. Today I am going to start from 110. Before starting, let me recap a little. The story is set on the planet Venus. A group of children live on planet Venus with their families. The sun comes out every 7 years for 2 hours on Venus. A girl named Margaret has come from the earth and has seen the sun earlier. She is bullied by her classmates as she is different from them. Okay, now let's start from here. Now Margaret is staring at the sun, okay? And William asked her, "What are you looking at?" Margaret said nothing. Okay, William became angry and again told her, "Speak when you are spoken to." Okay, he gave her a show. He means William gave her. Her means Margaret. William gave Margaret a show, but she did not move. Rather, she left herself be moved only by him and nothing else. They edged away from her. They edged away from her means all the children edged away from her. Her refers to Margaret. They would not look at her. She felt them go away. All the children went away, and this was because she would play no games with them in the echoing tunnels of the underground city. And what is the reason behind it? Because Margaret used to play no games with those children. If they begged her and ran, she stood blinking after them and did not follow. When the class sang songs about happiness and life and games, her lips barely moved. Look, when the class sang song about happiness and life, her lips, Miss Margaret's lips barely moved. She did not used to sing with them. Only when they sang about the sun and the summer did her lips move. And Margaret's lips moved only when they sang about the summer and the sun. Okay, and then of course the biggest crime of all was that she had come from here only 5 years ago from earth, and the biggest reason why other children hated Margaret was that she had come there only 5 years ago, that was from earth. Okay, and other children have been living there since their birth, and she remembered the sun. Okay, Margaret remembered the sun because she was 4 when she saw the sun, and the other children were only 2 years old. Therefore, they could not remember the sun, and the way the sun was and sky was means Margaret remembered the sun and the way the sun was and the sky was because she was 4 in Ohio, and they had been on Venus all their lives. They means other children had been on Venus all their lives, and they had been only 2 years old when last the sun came out and had long since forgotten the color and heat, and therefore the other children had forgotten the sun and the heat of the sun. But Margaret remembered. "It's like a penny," she said once, eyes closed. Once, by closing eyes, Margaret told that sun is like a penny. "No, it's not." The children cried. Children cried out, "No, it's not. It's like a fire," she said, "in the stove." Then she said that it's like a fire. "You are lying. You don't remember," cried the children. Now the children cried out that you are lying. You don't remember. But she remembered and stood quietly apart from all of them and watched the pattering windows. Okay, she remembered and stood quietly apart from all of them and watched the pattering windows. And once a month ago, she had refused to shower in the school shower. Okay, once what happened in the school shower, she had refused to shower. Okay, had clutched her hands to her ears and over her head, screaming the water must not touch her head. She shouted that the water must not touch her head. So after that, dimly she sensed that she was different from the others because other children were accustomed to rain. Okay, but she did not like the rain, and therefore she told that she would not shower. And then she understood that she was different from other children. There was a talk that her father and mother was taking her back to earth, and in whole Venus there was a rumor that Margaret was going back to earth next year. It seemed vital to her that they do so, though it would mean the loss of thousands of dollars to her family. Now, if Margaret would return back to earth, it means that thousands of dollar loss, okay, loss of thousands of dollars to her family. And so the children hated her, and this is the reason that the children hated her for all those reasons of big and little consequence. They hated her pale snow face. And now, what are the things they hated? They hated Margaret's pale snow face, her waiting silence, her thinness, and her possible future. Okay, up to this much, and in my next class I will continue from this part. Okay, until then, goodbye.